Hey, it's your boy here, Takuro, at the start of an epic 18-episode journey around Kyushu, Japan's southern lands. Mountainous, volcanic, coastal, and hopefully a good place for a cycle tour. A cycle tour by Foldy. Meet Foldy. I'll be rolling this guy and his little 16-inch wheels around this stunning Japanese island. From big foodie cities to quaint Japanese towns. Castles, temples, torii gates, and izakayas. So many izakayas, where I get a taste of what Kyushu is all about. It's Nagasaki, Miyazaki, Kagoshima, Kumamoto, the whole damn island. A little disclaimer, I'll be catching trains too, but hey, I'm here for the food, not the saddle sores. So, 18 episodes, starting right here in Fukuoka, with no bike yet, and honestly, no plan. But don't worry, it's your boy Takuro, the king of wing, ing, it. And it all comes together real nice. So, day one in Fukuoka, and I really should be trying to fix this no bike problem. But, you know, I'm a foodie, so I kinda get sidetracked. Like eating these delicious teppanyaki chicken wings, and Namban chicken, and all of this stuff. Later that night, I end up in this cozy little izakaya in Tenjin Imaizumi, a bustling nightlife spot in downtown Fukuoka. Hope it's legit. I picked it randomly, and encouragingly, I'm treated to my own private booth. There was fresh sashimi, kushiyaki, potato saba, and going regional, Hakata-style vinegared offal, and tempura mentaiko. It was legit. Earlier that night, I was hyped to hit Fukuoka's famous yatai. You know, the iconic street food stalls I dreamed about for years. But one look at the crowds and the tourist vibes, I'm calling it people, it's a tourist trap. A street food foodie vlogger in Fukuoka rejects yatai. Am I dumb? Drop it in the comments. The next morning, I get my act together and rent a bike from Future Bikes. After a long conversation with the charismatic store owner, he informs me that I can't take a normal bike onto the trains. A foldy, however, that could work. This is the kind of thing you'd have thought that I'd have figured out before coming here, right? Am I dumb? That just may well be a recurring motif in this series. Anyway, a foldy it is. We struck a deal, he stores my luggage, and I ride off, awaiting the start of my big journey tomorrow morning. For now, let's explore Fukuoka, I guess. Romochi Seaside, Ohori Park, Hakata Old Town. Actually, this looks like a good place to find my first postcard. Almost, not quite. Yes! And it's in the post. Coming your way. A decent day of city exploration, and I'm getting to know this foldy a little better. Me and this bike, we're gonna go places. And my ass, it's already sore. Fun fact, tonkotsu ramen, you know, everyone's favourite ramen, it was invented here. So, I should probably go eat some then. At this place. Last night, it had a queue going down the street. That's a good sign, right? Well then, take it away, Takuro. That's also me, by the way. So I'm in the Tenjin district in Fukuoka, and I'm starting with the classic tonkotsu ramen with that rich porky broth and the ramen noodles, loved the world over. But this is where they originate, in Fukuoka. So, let's try. Yum, nice and hard, those noodles, very al dente. And that broth, oh, so good. Delicious and creamy porky. On the side, we've got some chili paste and some garlic paste as well. Oh, yum. Oh, that's got a punch now, and that lovely garlic. It's really made that soup. So Fukuoka, of course, the home of tonkatsu ramen, but also Ichiran and Ippudo, and those chains have gone global.
and so they're originally from this city. However, I haven't chosen one of those. I've chosen a more local place. I don't know what this is called, but I walked past it last night and there was a massive line. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to hit this place up for lunch. And didn't disappoint. Oh, porky butter. So we've got some very thin bits of char siu on the side. Oh, yum. Bamboo shoot. And here you also get a little bit of pork fat or lard. Very good. And you've got a well done egg, no onsen egg here. So this comes in a set with some gyoza. Pan-fried steamed gyoza. Porky, kind of garlic chive vibe. Nice and crispy on the base and then nice and soft through the center. A lovely dumpling. And also in the set, onigiri. I don't really understand noodles and rice, but you know, carbs are carbs. I'm on a bike, so I need them. Super simple, just a triangle of rice. And that's it. Back to the bike.
So, I guess I'm all set then. I guess that means tomorrow I'll be tackling the first leg, Fukuoka to Kitakyushu. My first day under load, but it doesn't all go to plan. However, rest assured, we'll be treated to a gem of an izakaya come nightfall.
Anyway, 18 episodes, it's gonna be big. So if you'd like to tag along, you know what you gotta do. And I'll see you tomorrow.